friend, my name is Rashmi Chandra Sanane. I am in third standard. My father name is Chandra. My mother name is Suman. I have no sister. My brother name is Ayush. My surname is Sanane. My school name is ZP Primary School, Narsingpur. I live Narsingpur. My headmaster name is Mr. Tavya sir. My class teacher name is Miss Maithili ma'am. My favorite color is pink. My favorite dish is samosa. My favorite game is Kho-Kho. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite subject is math. My favorite hobby is reading. My favorite animal is cow. My favorite bird is peacock. My favorite dish is samosa. Thank you very much.